Ramirez. Diba? Galing ka, no?
Hahag ba? Ay, hindi ako nagpapakit doon. Lagi akong galit. Ate! Andito na rin yung mga susutin niyo, ha? Yes! Hoy, laban na nga pala yan. Nilabhan ko na yung mga damit na yan. Bakit parang naiyak sila? Ayan. Eh kahit nga wala pa eh. Naiyak na ako. Eh, nakakatakot pag umiyak. Yung nakikita ko sa ano. Nagdinaya sa... Pag naiyak daw, nag-iwalay. Ay! Okay lang ako. Lalo na mamaya pagbaba.
Mga kapatid, sa ating banal na pagdiriwang ngayon para sa kasal ni Glenn at Miss Yen, patuloy po nating samahan sila ng ating mapanalangin. Hilingin natin sa mapagmahal na Diyos na sila'y laging kalingain, lingapin at bigyan ng kalusugan ng pangatawan, buong kalooban at kaliwanagan ng pag-iisip ng kanilang marapat magampanan ang buhay pag-aasawa.
I met you in our most unexpected circumstances in our life. I was not looking for you. I was not expecting you. But I'm very lucky I met you.
Buong puso ba ang pagkakaloob mo sa Kanya ng iyong sarili bilang Kanyang may bahay?
Opo, Sad.
Nakalaan ka bang balikhatin sa piling niyang pananagutan ng buhay may asawa?
Opo, Sad.
Glenn, sumasang-ayon ka ba na maging may bahay si Miss Yen na naririto ngayon alinsunod sa batas at mga lintuntunin ng ating banal na simbahan?
Opo, Father. By this time siguro, binabasa mo na itong vow ko. Nakakatawa, no? Well, it's me, Engineer Glenn, and here's what I want to tell to you. Baby, Hal, Buy. Kahit ano pa yan, kahit anong tawag ko sa'yo, sana malaman mo na ika'y mahal na mahal ko.
He knows it's you I pray for. He knows it's you I pray with. He knows you are my armor, my protector, my relief. He knows you are the music when silence brings me down. He knows you are.
Ay, gusto ko yun. May nakita kong pera. Hello.
Box lang.
Ay, ano lang po, are. Fake. Ito yung tunay.
It's a prank!
Uy, gusto ko to.
So sana hindi ka magbabago kung ano ang iyong pakikitungo sa amin. At islang dahil kilala mo naman ako, nag-isa, tinaguyod ko kayo, simula kayo nung maliit pa. Hanggang sa ngayon, so sama-sama pa rin tayo.
Alam mo ba? I'm looking for a sign before. If this person is meant for me, everything will be slow-mo. And I felt that nung pinakilala mo ko sa buong family mo. And at that time, I knew I found the one for me.
He knows you are my power when I'm feeling weak.
Alam natin na ang pagmamahal nagmumula nga sa tinatawag nating paglalahad ng sarili. Pagpapakilala ng sarili.
He knows that we have differences, but he pulls us back.
Natupad na ang wish mo na kasal sa akin at exactly 27 to 28 years old. At natupad din naman ang hiling ko na maiharap ka sa ating Panginoon. Ito ang ating inaantay, kasalang walang humpay. Sana'y maging masaya tayo ngayon at magpakailanman.
All we know is he knows, and we follow his direction. Even though life is short, we'll share forever in salvation. Through this life and beyond, we will let his will be done. 'Cause he knows that I am yours and you are
Baka
mine.
hindi natin mahal ang isa't isa araw-araw at nagkakaasaran tayo. Piliin lang natin ang isa't isa araw-araw. Yun lang.
We have made some mistakes, but he's there to tidy up our mess. We are blessed by his embrace. We'll serve together through his grace. And I know, and you know, that he knows, and it shows that with faith and love, we stand the blast. 'Cause he knows that only you can see me through.
Then at Miss Yen, patuloy po tayo na nagdarasal para sa kanila. Patuloy po tayo na sumusuporta sa kanilang napakagandang layunin sa kanilang buhay.
Natupad na ang wish mo na ikasal sa akin ng 27 years old at natutupad naman ang hiling ko na mahirap ka sa ating Panginoon. Naway masaya ang ating pagsasama na may pagmamahalan kahit kapakaligalig.
What if I told ya I can't take my eyes off of you?
I will not promise to love you every day, but I will stand beside you and choose you from now and forever. Because that is the decision I can stand for.
Glances from the other side of the room. So what if
Simula sa araw na to, hindi na natin harapin mag-isa ang future. Sabay natin harapin yung panibagong chapter ng buhay natin. I love you. May palagi.
Awiki.
I wanna love somebody like you. I wanna love somebody like you. I wanna love somebody like you. Yeah. I wanna love somebody like you. I wanna love somebody like you. I wanna love somebody like you. Yeah. somebody like you. I wanna love somebody like you. I wanna love somebody like you. Yeah. I wanna love somebody like you. I wanna love somebody like you. I wanna love somebody like you. Yeah. I wanna love somebody like you. I wanna love somebody like you.